Big butt shots.
Okay.
I got him.
Okay, but my arm is stuck.
Well, get your arm out of there.
I'm trying.
Stay calm and don't be wild.
No screaming, no rowdy.
Tom, you're making it difficult, honey.
Yes, cousin, that's me.
Hey, how are you guys? We're good.
Okay, did I ask everybody to get to the edge?
Well, honey, come on. All right.
Look, some more people came.
Yep.